Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here. So I'm reviewing this stainless steel 4mm band, 4mm as in the width. So it can be used as a wedding band, but honestly it's just a simple stainless steel ring that could be really used for anything. For my case, I'm actually using this to replace my Order of the Engineer ring. This one was just a little bit too small, and I also don't like how difficult it is to get it on and off sometimes. And with this one, the great thing about this one is not only that it's mirror polished, so it stays looking shiny much longer, but the inside is actually concave. So that means that the inside, right in the center line of the inner diameter, is actually narrower than the outside, which means it's much easier to get in and out, and as opposed to the rough edges on this simple same diameter throughout this entire inside of the Order of the Engineer ring that I got. And also another great thing about this is that you can buy this off Amazon for under $10. I'll put the link in the description where I got this one. And you can also get them in a lot more different sizes on Amazon for a much cheaper price. So honestly, I feel pretty ripped off for paying $30 to be inducted to get this ring when you can get a much better quality ring for under $10 on Amazon. And another great thing is because it's stainless steel, it means that you can take it swimming with you if you really wanted to, if you're not afraid that this will you will lose it if you get the right sizing anyway. And you can also wear it into the shower if you wanted to as well, so it won't corrode. Based on the alloy of stainless steel this is. However, one issue with stainless steel is the softness of the material as opposed to, say, something like tungsten carbide, which would cost 2 to 3 times more. So it does pick up scratches a lot easier. After 1 week's of use, I did notice quite a few nicks on this thing. Obviously at a distance you can't really tell, but it does tend to dull the glossy finish because of that. But don't let that deter you, because it still is able to get engraved, do any laser etching if you so choose. So it's still able to do all those things that you may want to do to customize your wedding band. So I probably don't advocate this as a permanent replacement, but maybe at least as a temporary replacement. Maybe you go on vacation, you're afraid to lose your actual wedding band, then this is definitely a really great alternative. And obviously, for my purpose, I don't use it as a wedding band. But this is also a really nice replacement stainless steel ring for other representations as well. So I highly recommend this, and you can pick this up on Amazon pretty much from a whole different number of sellers. These are all really based on sizing. The one I have listed in the description offers a bigger range of sizes, so you guys can go ahead and check that out if you guys are in the market for a stainless steel ring like this one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.